here with Pierre Cargig. He's Technical Manager for Inoculants in North America. He's going to give us some answers on the future with inoculants. But first off, Pierre, what do you see are changes that we could see in the future as far as formulations go on inoculants and biologicals?
Well, that's a great question, and just looking back before I look forward, we've seen a great evolution over the last 100 years or so on inoculants, from some very basic formulations at the turn of the last century. We have non-sterile liquid inoculants essentially, and over the time we've seen an evolution of that into more sterile-based systems, looking at very high-quality liquids, high-quality peak carriers with various additives, and a lot of very useful granular carriers. And what we've seen generally over the course of time is an evolution of both the qualitative and quantitative aspects of those formulations. So higher potency formulations, very targeted actives, and increasingly that formulation is becoming more and more convenient to use. So we're highly driven by end user convenience. And where we see this going forward is, again, a continuation of that extension of bioactivity, as well as I see more user-friendly formulations. And by that, I typically mean lower volumes of use, higher activity products that are better able to be complementary to current husbandry practices. By that I mean pesticide input practices, fertility input practices, complementary to where we see agriculture going. So yeah, really formulations driven by convenience, low volumes, even maybe into powders for some of those technologies, which today we don't really think that is feasible.